Hey there, my name is Carrie Draft. I am a personal fitness trainer here in West Michigan, and I own a company named EcoTruck Fitness. We take people outdoors on the trails for workout adventures. And last year, I helped the Ottawa County Park System set up a warm-up for their Step It Up program. And they had huge attendance happening, group walks happening at all the Ottawa County parks. And we did a little warm-up before each one. And this year, they're still doing the Step It Up program, but it's kind of happening virtually. So you and your family can go out on the trails, you do your own walk, you log your miles, but we can't do it in a large group like we did last year. So this video is to help you with some warm-ups that you can do before you take the family out on a walk on the trails. So I'll run you through just a basic warm-up, and then you can watch later videos for breakdowns as far as making it more challenging or just modifying it to make it more easy, depending on where your fitness level is. And as always, listen to your own body and never do more than your body lets you do, okay? So just to start out, super simple, I'll start this way. It's always soft knees and bringing your shoulders down and back and relaxed. And it's just chin to chest to start. So you just look all the way down and all the way up. And we're just keeping things loose and loose. So up and down, chin to chest. Super simple. Then we do upper body, the arm swing. So again, soft knees, arms out at your sides, and then you're going to crissy-cross in between and then back out, and you can alternate which hand comes up above the other, but it's just out wide and cross, keeping things loose. Awesome. Then we get into trunk rotations. So this one, keeping it simple to start, is hands can be on your hips. Soft knees again, and as you turn to one side, your opposite foot comes back behind you, so you're stepping back, just like that. And you're letting your shoulders rotate apart from your hips, okay? And then you can really, if you want to make it more challenging, get that dip going. And from here, we can move into knee circles. So again, hands on your hips. I'll show you from an angle here. And it's just making circles with your knees in one direction. Keeping it loose. And then the other direction. And then simple leg swings. This kind of involves balance in your core, but we'll go side to side first. All your weight on one side. And one foot out front, and side to side. Same thing on the other side, shift your weight, crisscross in front, and then you can do the same thing front to back, and other side. Perfect. Then we've got ankle flippers, we'll call them. So it's just standing, and this one you want to have your arms a little more fluid, and it's just flicking out and pointing your toe. Okay, so like a little Charlie Chaplin dance. And adding the dip, squat-ish in between can make it a little more challenging, waking up your lower body. Perfect. And then ankle rockers. So from the side, it's a kind of a jogging man with the upper body. So when you're stepping forward, you got your opposite elbow coming forward. And it's just like this. And you're kind of rolling from heel to toe. Hopefully not on a hill like I am. Same thing on the other side. Stepping forward, rocking back. Perfect. That's about it for the motions. And then if you want to add some strength, you know what a chair pose is in yoga. So feet together, knees together, arms are straight out. You're kind of pulling on your shoulders. Big inhale. Exhale. You're coming down full, hinging your hips, okay? Arms are up a little bit. And now it's just stepping back with each foot one at a time. So you're keeping this flex, okay, isometrically, holding, and then stepping back and tapping, and step forward. So this is a strength move. This involves your core. Got everything working. Got your upper body going, your lower body going, your core is engaged. This is a good one to get the whole family doing. And then along the same lines, an old style telephone pole, we can have like a half squat. Old style telephone pole being like this, okay? And we can just squeeze. So we're squeezing our shoulder blades. I'll go like this. And you just come out, squeeze, and forward. Squeeze, and forward. Anytime everything else is working here. Squeeze, forward, squeeze, forward, squeeze, forward. Another strength move, standing on one foot. This one, I like to have whatever foot you're standing on, that hand is behind your knee, and you're balancing. You're always staring at something that's not moving. And then it's just slow motion kicks. So it's out here. I like to have my knee straight up from my hip. Just slowly kicking out, pulling it in, slow and controlled. If that's too much, I'll show you from the other side. Just balancing on one foot is sometimes enough. So it's, say you don't want it to be 90, just bring it down so your foot's off the ground and then kick. Okay? Whatever you can do. Just start where you are, right? And that's about it. So we've got those moves. I will show you individually in subsequent videos, but that kind of gives you everything in a nutshell. And just get outside, get that fresh air going through your lungs, and keep it moving. See you next time.